So this is the pound dollar analysis for Thursday, the 14th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So previous to our previous analysis video, we did come down to 1304. Sorry, not 1304, 133.04. In around this 133.04, we did a period of fan support as weekly pivot. We've had this move upwards towards our 33.50 we're looking for. We've had a degree of indecisiveness in regards to the market, but the overall trend has been to the upside. There didn't appear to be much weakness. There was just a degree of indecisiveness, and we've tested this 33.50 from above. Now, slightly above us is the 33.68, coupled with the 400 period moving average again, potentially acting as a dynamic level of resistance. As you can see, we've had a few rejections of the 400 period moving average all the way back down to 33.50. Now, we did find support in around 33.50, and we have, as a result, seen this pretty strong move to the upside. We do have this large candle, which is our news candle in regards to the United States. It's a pretty sizable candle. We've broken above the 400 period moving average here in black and the 200 period moving average here in blue. We've come up to the area that we were looking at in around this 134.29. Let's just have a look to see how close it looks like an actual test of 134.29. We went as high as a 134.28.8. So essentially 134.29 as marked out here on the chart. We're having a bit of a pullback at the moment. We do have a fundamental catalyst out today on Thursday the 14th in regards to the pound interest rate decision. I think there's a policy statement as well. So we could potentially see this move reverse if we do have a degree of dovishness by the Bank of England. But overall, in light of the most recent trend is to the upside. So we'll see whether we do break this. If we do get another retest of 34.29, we'll do see if we break or if we have a brief pullback before breaking and head towards our 34.88. If however we do see a strong rejection from this 34.29, we'll be targeting 33.68 to the downside, below which we're looking for 33.50, and below that we're looking for 33.04. Now, if we do have if the catalyst is sufficiently strong, we'd have to possibly look at levels beneath even 33.04. So levels that we are looking at are the pound against the dollar. So if we did break up below 33.04, we'd be targeting 32.81, which is a major level, as is marked out in red. All major levels are marked out in red in the chart. Levels which are minor to them are marked out in blue. So we'll be looking to target 32.81, break from which we'll be looking to target 32.20, which is the weekly pivot. And below that, if we do have a very strong catalyst, we'll be looking towards our 31.93. I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 31.93 to the downside. I would expect that to be the far end of the range. If however we do get a break and we do have a supportive catalyst, again we'll be looking to target 34.88, beyond which we're looking to target in around this 135.20 or so, our most recent highs over here to your left. I'll just put it on the charts actually. May not see a reaction here as it is pretty close to a level already marked out. Let's just change the color. There we are. So we will see price direction around 135.20. Break from this 135.20, we'll be looking to target in around this 130.36 before looking at our highs of 2017 so far in around that 136.57. Now 136.57 is well over 200 points away, so we may not get all the way up there. So possibly we're looking at 136 being the far end of the range here on the pound dollar. Now, let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the pound dollar. So if we head over to the daily chart, let's just do that quickly. And we get scaling correct. So on this daily chart of the pound against the dollar, we've had this pretty strong move to the upside, a pretty consistent move. We've had a pullback. And we've come down into support at 33.04. We've posted this very large candle, this very large bullish candle. So we do look poised for further continuation to the upside, possibly heading towards that 134.88 I already mentioned, and all the other levels that we are looking at to the upside we've already mentioned. Now we have to first see if we can successfully navigate 134.29, after which we'll look for our potential upside targets and a further continuation of this uptrend on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that's wrap up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.